At Eastern Tabletop, we're inviting you to take your food presentation vertical. This versatile buffet product is modern chic with a creative edge and is sure to make an impact on your buffet presentation. Introducing the Tower Display Rolling Buffet System. For too long, venues like hotels, banquet halls, country clubs, even bars have been limiting themselves to the horizontal square footage of their event spaces and ignoring all the potential of raising the height of their displays. The Tower Display is here to change that with its tall, bold structure consisting of shelves and heights ranging from 22 inches all the way to 62 inches, over 5 feet off the ground. For an easy update to the look and feel of your display, the wooden tabletop connector can be flipped to reveal a stainless steel finish, perfect for use with hot or cold action stations. The Tower Display can be arranged in hundreds of configurations to accommodate any event. Simply line up your towers and place your glass or acrylic shelving into the interconnecting stainless steel slots, and you're ready to create your display. Add chafing dishes, action stations, even decorations. And like that, your buffet is brought to life. Your Tower Display can start service during the cocktail hour as a buffet for small plates, and in moments transform into a stunning bar setup for the main event. Create an elaborate and functional action station display. Line the towers up for use in a self-service buffet. The combinations are endless. The Tower Display is useful for events serving hundreds of guests, but it can also help you utilize untapped areas of your venue. Make use of your vertical space in your hallways, lobbies, or other small areas where guests gather to serve appetizers or small plates. The tower will go wherever you can because it's designed to be both versatile and modular. And if you're thinking that, given its size, the Tower Display will be difficult to set up and maneuver, think again. Each tower comes with built-in rolling and locking casters, making it easy to move from tile to carpet without the worry of scratching your floors or straining to lift heavy equipment. The tower's panels can be connected or removed for easy access cleaning or replacement. And each tower comes with a protective dust cover, making it simple to clean and store. The tower's heavy-duty stainless steel structure is available with solid wood or clear acrylic paneling. Fit the acrylic panel tower with internal lighting for a more dramatic food presentation. And all panels are fitted with stainless steel edging to ensure your display will withstand a bustling service and keep going without dents or damage. Make your display rise to the occasion. Visit EasternTabletop.com or call your local Eastern sales representative to learn more about the Tower Display and other rolling buffet products today.